Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the student. So today we are going to discuss about human eye and colorful word. Human eye and colorful word. Human eye and colorful word. Human eye. Human eye and colorful word. Colorful word. So in this topic, so we will discuss about completely about eye parts and function. So and defects. So human eye is the most sensible and sensitive organ in our body. So with our eyes only we can able to see everything. Okay. So now we will draw the eye diagram. We will draw the eye diagram and we will discuss about parts and function. So here you can see like this. I am taking now human eye. Okay. So this is the lens and the next one will join. This one you can take. Okay. So cornea, frontal layer, protective layer of the human eye is called cornea. So this is the cornea. So cornea, 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 cornea. So iris, 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 and people, 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 people. Aqueous humor, aqueous humor, aqueous humor, aqueous humor, aqueous humor. Lens, islands, 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 and so ciliary muscles, ciliary muscles, ciliary muscles, ciliary muscles, ciliary muscles, Nani, nani, na, 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 nani, na, na, nani, nani, na, 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 nani, nani, na, na, nani, nani, na, 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 nani, na, na, nani, nani, na, 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 la, 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 na, na, na. So here you can observe. So cornea is a front layer, protective layer of the eye. Most of the refraction takes place at cornea. And aqueous humor is a aqueous humor is a jelly type liquid material present between cornea and eyelids. And coming to the iris, iris is a dark muscular diaphragm which controls the size of the pupil. Pupil will controls and regulates the amount of light entering into the eye. And coming to the ciliary muscles, which so these two are ciliary muscles only. This one and this one, both are ciliary muscles only, which will hold the lens. Okay, so whenever we want to see nearby object as well as far object, so ciliary muscles will adjust the curvature of the eyelids so that so we can able to see the near distance as well as far distance, and people will control and regulate the amount of light entering into the eye. And coming to the islands, islands is islands which will converge the light rays. Whenever the light rays are falling on it, it converge and make it falls at retina. So coming to the vitreous humor is a jelly type liquid present between islands and retina. So this entire portion is filled by the vitreous humor. Coming to the retina retina is a light sensitive screen where most of the light rays will where light rays will meet and get image. So what type of image will form? So inverted and real image, real and inverted image will form at retina. So okay, that will convert in the form of electrical signals, electrical impulse that will reach to the brain through optic nerve. Optic nerve, it will carry the electrical signals to the brain. Okay, so this is about parts and function of human eye. And coming to the next one, and here at retina there are two light sensitive cells are there. So one is rods, another one is cones. So rod helps the intensity of the light and cone helps the color of the light. So at retina only it will be there at retina. So rod helps intensity of the light and cone helps the color of the light. So that is about human eye parts and function. Next we will discuss about so here you can observe. So this is about human eye parts and function. Now we will discuss about so near point and far point. First one is near point, near point, near point, and the second one is far point, far point. Near point is nothing but the minimum distance up to which a person can able to see clearly without any strain or pain. That is called near point. So the near point is 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter. Coming to far point, so the maximum point up to which a person can able to see clearly, that is called maximum point, that is called far point. Okay, near point is nothing but the minimum distance up to which the person can able to see clearly. Okay, that is 25 centimeter. Far point is nothing but the maximum distance up to which a person can able to see clearly. Okay, so far point is infinity and near point is 25 centimeter. Near point means here, if I'm placing marker, so if I place like this, so if I place here, I can able to see comfortably. If I place very close to my eye, then what happens? I can't able to see this object. I can't able to see this object because so until certain time. Okay, so after certain time, so until certain time we can able to see. After certain time we can't able to see, it will get strain and pain. So here you can see, if I'm placing like this, what happens? So after certain time it will get strain and pain, right? So beyond, so more than 25 centimeter we can see comfortably, happily, more than 25 centimeter. So that is about near point is 25 centimeter, far point is infinity. Okay, so now that is about near point and far point. Now the range of vision. What is the range of vision? Range of vision is 25 centimeter. రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ విజన్ వచ్చేసరికి ఏమొస్తుంది, 25 సెంటీమీటర్ నుంచి ఇన్ఫినిటీ వరకు తీసుకుంటాము రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ విజన్. సో తర్వాత మనం డిస్కస్ చేసే టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే మయోపియా, హైపర్మెట్రోపియా. అరే మయోపియా అంటే ఏంటి? సో మయోపియా ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్, సో మనం నియర్ పాయింట్ చూస్తాం, ఫార్ పాయింట్ చూడలేం. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకు వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటి, వీ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ నియర్ డిస్టెన్స్, వీ కాంట్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ ఫార్ డిస్టెన్స్. So until certain point only we can see. Suppose I am taking this point, okay, person. So you can see up to 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter you can see. So infinity you can't see. 25 centimeter is nothing but minimum point. That is near point. Okay, na? Near point. Near point you can see. So near point you can see, far point you can't see, but between 25 to infinity you can see certain point. That is the far point of myopic eye. That is nothing but far point of myopic eye. So you can see this point. You can see this point. Okay, how to draw the diagram? So if the light rays are coming from this point, we can able to see. So anyway, we can see this one. If the light rays are coming from here, so in front of the retina only the light rays will meet. So we'll check once. So light rays are coming from infinity will not meet at retina, right? So if it is meet, we can able to see, but those light rays are not meeting at retina. So those are meeting in front of the retina. Myopic eye. Okay, now so here you can see far point, near point. The light rays are coming, this is a near point and this is a far point. So we are using concave lens. Concave lens. Okay. How many light rays are required to form the image of the object? Minimum 2 light rays. So this is a correction of myopia. Correction of myopia. So here you can see far point of myopic eye, correction of myopia. So now we will discuss about hypermetropia. Hypermetropy is nothing. The person can able to see near far point he can see, near point he can't see. So, but between these 2 points he can see. So that's a near point of hypermetropic eye, right? So this correction of hypermetropia. So you can observe. So this is a near point of hypermetropic eye. So hypermetropic eye, correction of hypermetropia. I hope it is very clear. Now, so now, so I'm taking the prism. Splitting a white light into 7 colors is known as dispersion. Dispersion, dispersion, dispersion. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, splitting a white light into 7 colors is known dispersion. Those 7 colors will form like a band on the screen. Is called a spectrum. Okay, so next one. Jinxa. So white light, okay. So after so what is the phenomenon involved in the formation of rainbow? Refraction, dispersion. So refraction, dispersion, internal reflection. So here, white light. So here you can see white light. So it is passing through that. After dispersions, those colors will form like a band on the screen. So this phenomenon is known as splitting of white light into seven colors is known as dispersion. So what is the phenomenon involved in the formation of rainbow? Refraction, dispersion, internal reflection. So next combination of so light rays are incident. After that, dispersion takes place. Those seven colors will form the screen. So on the second prism, those seven colors again it will be combined and so becomes white light as output. Recombination of spectrum white light. Recombination of spectrum of white light. Spectrum of white light. So white light. Then we are taking now atmospheric refraction. So refraction takes place by the atmosphere is called atmospheric refraction. Example of twinkling of stars. And one more thing, scattering of light, the re-emission of light in different directions with the different intensities called scattering of light. Scattering of light. Okay, when light ray passes through the colloidal solution, the re-emission of light takes place by the colloidal solution. Okay, so scattered, a best example, light ray scattered by the colloidal particles. It scatters in all directions with a different intensity. Is called scattering of light. Okay, I hope it is very clear. So, and Tyndall effect. So the path of the light becomes visible when it is passing through the colloidal solution. That is called Tyndall effect. So, so this is about human in colorful words. So still so many points are there. So we will discuss. Thank you so much for joining and attending and listening my class. This is your Sivasat signing off.